Python lists, such as those returned by the string split method, are sequences of objects. Unlike strings, lists are mutable, insofar as the elements within them can be replaced or removed, and new elements can be inserted or appended. Lists are the workhorse of Python data structures. Literal lists are delimited by square brackets, and the items within the list separated by commas. Here is a list of 3 numbers, and a list of 3 strings. We can retrieve elements by using square brackets with a zero-based index, and we can replace elements by assigning to a specific element. See how lists can be heterogeneous with respect to the types of the objects. We now have a list containing a string, an integer, and another string. It's often useful to create an empty list, which we can do using empty square brackets. We can modify the list in other ways. Let's add some floats to the end of the list using the append method. There are many other useful methods for manipulating lists, which we'll cover in a later module. There is also a list constructor, which can be used to create lists from other collections, such as strings. Finally, although the significant whitespace rules in Python can at first seem very rigid, there is a lot of flexibility. For example, if at the end of the line, brackets, braces, or parentheses are unclosed, you can continue on the next line. This can be very useful for long literal collections, or simply to improve readability. See also how we're allowed to use an additional comma after the last element, an important maintainability feature.